Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial video I will show you really quickly how you can replace the background, for example an image or a photo or a video clip for a video project on CapCut. So let's get started. Now guys, as you can see, I'm working on a video project like that, and I got a video clip here in the foreground and that one here, and an image or photo in the background. And this is how you can replace the background image. First guys, make sure that the photo or image you would like to remove or replace is placed on a lower track here on your timeline, and that the video clip is placed above it. Now guys, the following is super simple. You can, for example, change the size and the position of your background image by holding the corners here of that image just like that. And if you'd like to change it, simply right click on that image, select delete, and simply choose an image or photo from your library on CapCut to place it on the same video track just like that. There you go. You can adjust its size and position as well, and also move the video clip in the foreground around by holding its corners here just like that. So that's basically it guys. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.